Hello, this is Aaron Abraham and you're watching Money Bricks, our YouTube channel. As per section 139AA of the Income Tax Act 1961, every person is supposed to link their Aadhaar with PAN before 31st March 2023, or else your PAN will become inoperative and you cannot put your PAN number anywhere. This would also mean that you cannot file your income tax return. A higher tax rate will be applied for income tax purposes. TDS will be deducted at a higher rate. There will be no refund on TDS. You cannot make any banking or financial transactions above rupees 50,000 and also can't make any fresh investments or redemptions in mutual funds, equity, etc. So do this linking as early as possible so that your PAN does not become invalid or inoperative. And also make sure that your name, date of birth and your gender are both same in Aadhaar and PAN, or else you have to make it same and then give the request for PAN Aadhaar linking. To check whether your Aadhaar is already linked with PAN or not, go to this website and enter your PAN, DOB and enter CAPTCHA. The link will be given in the description box. If it's already linked, then a dialog box will pop out and say that your Aadhaar is already linked with PAN. If it's not, then you must click on this link which is highlighted here. It will direct you to the home page of the income tax portal. Now before linking, you must first pay a penalty of rupees 1000 if you are trying to link your Aadhaar with PAN after June 2022. So you must click on e-pay tax. It will show you this page. Now you have to write your PAN and mobile number and click on continue. Now after the OTP process is done, click on the proceed button of the income tax tile and not on the other two tiles. Often people make a mistake by clicking on fee or other payments, but in this case you have to click on the income tax tile and click on proceed. So it will ask you for the assessment year. Now carefully click on 2023 to 24. I repeat, it's 2023 to 24 and not 2022 to 23. In the type of payment, click on other receipts 500 and then click on continue and you can finish the payment process. Now go back to the home page and click on link Aadhaar. It will go to this page wherein you need to write your PAN and Aadhaar number and click on validate. If your payment was successful, then it will show like your payment details are verified. Please click on continue to proceed with submission of Aadhaar PAN linking request. So click on continue. After that you have to write your name as per Aadhaar and mobile number and complete verification. If your request was successful, then it will show that your request for Aadhaar PAN linking has been sent to UIDAI for validation. Please check the status later by clicking on link Aadhaar status on home page. So click OK, and after 4 to 5 days you can check the status of the same by clicking on link Aadhaar status. I hope this video was useful to you. Please give this video a thumbs up and do share it with as many people as you can. Hit the subscribe button for more videos and do remember to link your Aadhaar with PAN as soon as possible. Thank you.